Okay, when we left the last video, we had our monthly view up here with Hot Dog Week and all the items that we're going to fix for that week. What we're going to do now is copy that over to the grocery list and work with it in Excel. To get it to the grocery list, first thing you do is we go over here and click on groceries, and we see that we've got everything from last week in there on the grocery list, and we just want to clear that out. You notice over here you can have two separate grocery lists if you want to. Right now we're just working with the one Cheney list. So I'm going to click on the dots, clear grocery list and all items, and say yes. We wait, it all goes away. Then we go back to the meals page, and I'm going to go to the weekly view here. This is the week before. And click forward. Here's Hot Dog Week. What I can do is I can select with hold down Control and click certain ones and send that to the grocery list, selected meals. But what I really want to do is send the whole week across. So I'm going to do that. Everything pops up here. They're all checked. If you didn't want to add flour to the list or anything else, you can uncheck it and send the rest. I'll just leave it as it is. You can also click up here, change everything, and just pick a couple things. It's good if you mess something up and want to add it back to the grocery list, or if you messed up your quantities, you can just select certain items. I'm going to hit add. You can see it down here, it's syncing. And then when I go to the grocery list, here it all is. I can click and sort by, it shows the aisle there if you want to look that way. I can sort by recipe up here. See everything that's in there. Can't sort by day. But then once we have it here, what I want to do is get it in Excel. So, and let's take a look at Excel for a second. So here's the format that we like it in. Notice that we've got some extra columns that aren't in Paprika that we're going to have to be aware of and make room for. The item number, the order, and the inventory. First thing I'm going to do is add a tab here. And so I've now got an empty one. Then I come back over here and I'm going to click. I'm going to hit Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Then I'm going to use my Alt tab back to the order page. And then I can do just right click and paste. And here I go. So now this column says false means that I hadn't purchased anything, and that checkbox was empty. Now over here, so I want to add room for the item number, then I want to add two columns for the order and the inventory. I'm going to right click there and hit insert. I'm going to highlight two columns, right click, insert two blank lines. Then I can come back over here, I can right click and do copy and get my header row and put it there. The other thing I can do is highlight everything, double click here, and make room, spread it out the way you want to. Then you can highlight this and just delete it, blank it out. And then the last thing I like to do is go to view and freeze the top row. That way as I roll down here, the top stays there. So then you can go through and you can mark things that go from Cheney's or wherever. As I go down through, say I want to get my cheese at Walmart, so I'll put that there. My salsa, I might get some Cheney salsa or that, or from Sam's, whatever, however you want to do it. We'll keep going down here. A lot of times, if I don't need to buy any butter, I can do an X. You notice here, there's butter here, and there's butter here. I can sort by ingredient and put my butters together, and I've got enough butter. And so if I want to sort again, I can say, oops, I can sort by first column and then by the ingredient. And my X's are down here, separate. And then these might all be Cheneys. Worcestershire sauce, maybe I've got enough, maybe I want to get it from Walmart or whatever. And there you have it. And then you can take your inventory, say how much you've got, and then decide how much you want to order. Then when I'm ready to send the order, I can sort it by just the things I need and just the stuff I'm going to send to Cheney. If I want to put item numbers in there, I can, but I don't have to. And then I can just highlight those 3 columns and paste that in the email to them, and they know exactly what we want and how much. That's it.